In this practical example we will train the use of repetitions with geometry variation and the mirroring of bodies. Come on, let's go. Open this available file and we will repeat this feature by varying its geometry. We activate the command linear pattern and select the dimensional shown for direction 1. We set 20 mm as distance and 3 for the number of repetitions. In Features to Pattern, we select the feature Extrude to and in Options, we enable the Vary Sketch option. Since we are varying the geometry of the cut, we must necessarily disable the Geometry Pattern option. We confirm the command and note that the cut was applied with geometry variation. Let's make the circular repetition of these features. We have activated the Circular Pattern command. We select the edge as a reference for the repetition, set the number of copies to 3, disable equal spacing and set the angle to 120 degrees. We select the features, check the preview and confirm the command. Alright, now using the other available file, let's practice body mirroring. We activated the mirror command. We select the face shown as a reference for mirroring. Note that using the Features to Mirror option, we need to select one by one each feature. As we wish to repeat this whole body to complete the support handle, we have cleared the selections in this box and clicked on Bodies to Mirror. Now with only one selection we repeat the whole body. We've confirmed the command and we've got the support handle completed. Oh, congratulations! We concluded this example, where we reviewed the use of important commands to perform repetition of entities, including geometry variation, as well as body mirroring using the mirror command.